healthy smoothie. Green Detox Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup spinach, 1 cup kale, 1 banana, 1 apple, cored and chopped, 1/2 cucumber chopped, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 cup water or coconut water, 1 ice cubes, optional. Place the spinach, kale, banana, apple, cucumber, chia seeds, and lemon juice in a blender. Add water or coconut water to the blender. Blend until smooth. Add ice cubes if desired and blend again. Pour into a glass and enjoy. Tips for making smoothies. One, balance your ingredients. Include a mix of fruits, vegetables, protein, yogurt, protein powder, nuts, and healthy fats, avocado, nuts, seeds. 2. Add superfoods. Boost your smoothie with superfoods like chia seeds, flax seeds, spirulina, or matcha powder. 3. Use frozen fruits. Frozen fruits can make your smoothie thicker and colder without needing ice. 4. Sweeten naturally. Use fruits or a small amount of honey or maple syrup for sweetness rather than sugar. 5. Blend well. Make sure to blend your smoothie until it's completely smooth to ensure all ingredients are well mixed. Enjoy these healthy smoothies as a nutritious breakfast, snack, or post-workout refreshment. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.